Most people work 40 years, save money their entire life, and still retire broke. Let that sink in for a moment. They followed everything they were told. Get a job, save money, avoid risk, spend less. But at the end of all that discipline, they still have no real financial freedom, no real wealth, no real security, just survival. So the question is simple. If they did everything right, why did they still fail financially? The hard truth. The truth is uncomfortable. Saving money alone is not a wealth strategy. It was never designed to make you rich. It was only designed to keep you stable. And stability is not the same as freedom. Most people confuse the two. They think saving equals getting rich. But in reality, saving is just protection, not progress. The inflation problem. Now here is something most people ignore their entire life. Inflation. It does not knock on your door. It does not warn you, but it quietly destroys your money every single year. You save $10,000 today and think you are doing great. But a few years later, that same money buys less food, less fuel, less everything. So while your bank balance stays the same, your real life value goes down. That is the silent trap. You feel safe, but you are actually losing power. Why savers stay stuck? Now let's go deeper. Saving money has a natural limit. You can only save a percentage of your income. You cannot save your way into wealth, because your income is the ceiling. And if your income does not grow, your life does not grow. That is why most people stay stuck for decades.
What rich people do differently? Now let's talk about something important. Rich people do not focus on saving money first. They focus on multiplying money. They think in systems, not salaries. They build businesses. They invest in assets. They create income streams that do not depend on time. While most people trade time for money, rich people build money that works without time. That is the real difference. Not intelligence, not luck, but strategy. Saving versus earning mindset. There are two financial mindsets in the world. The saving mindset says, I need to spend less. But the wealth mindset says, I need to earn more. And that one shift changes everything. Because cutting expenses has a limit, but increasing income does not. The bucket analogy. Think of it like this. Saving money is like filling a bucket with a hole in it. You keep pouring money in, but nothing truly builds up over time. Because inflation, expenses, and life keep draining it. But increasing income and investing is like fixing the bucket first. Now everything you put in actually stays and grows. Real formula of wealth. So, what actually works? Here is the real formula. Increase your income. Invest consistently. Build assets that generate money. That is how wealth is created. Not by saving more, but by earning more and growing it. The uncomfortable truth. Most people will never become financially free. Not because they are lazy, but because they stay trapped in a saving-only mindset their entire